Good morning and Jai Hind to all my loving students. This weekend, we are going to learn how to pack our traveling bag. I believe that each one of us get excited in the name of the trip, whether it is a trip of 1 day or 3 days or a week. We start planning days before for a smooth going. And still, we all love to travel stress-free with light packing. So what is the first thing that click our mind? Planning, right? So before planning any outing, climatic factors need to be taken care of. Now the question comes, why should we bother for the weather? Students, very important question. If you do a bit of survey on Google for the weather, it would be easy for you to select proper attire as per the climate. Now for example, in winter break, you plan for a short trip to Mumbai and pack all the woolens, keeping in mind the weather of Uttar Pradesh. I tell you, students, weather is not extreme and harsh over there. You won't be able to use any of your woolens, and you would end with carrying heavy luggages that will make you tired and restless. So a small survey of weather will make your traveling bag light. So the very first thing, you need to do a survey and find out the climatic weather, the weather condition of a particular place wherever you are going to go on your trip. The next slide shows that you need to be selective in choosing your bag. Always keep in your mind that you will be carrying your bag. So whatever is comfortable to you, choose that bag. If you are comfortable carrying on your shoulder, go for the bag, right? Go for such bag which you could carry it easily. Mind it, children, you have to carry all the way on your own. After you have chosen your bag, make a list that is to be packed. So here is the bucket list, children, in front of you. So what you should keep with you, you need to arrange it. You need to prepare your list. So these are essentials, children, that you shouldn't forget to keep. Else you will find getting your trip spoiled. So what you need is properly ironed clothes, handkerchiefs, socks, hand towel, bed sheet, first aid kit box, a separate kit having your toothbrush or toothpaste, paper soap, comb, hair oil, deodorant, friendly snacks and water bottle, right? So these, children, you need to highlight as you arrange it and keep it in the sequence, keep it in order so that you do not forget it. Now, finally, what you need, children, we are all into tech savvy. So what you need is your gadgets need a charger or a supply of batteries. That is very much essential for your time pass, for you to get updated. So gadgets have number of uses, and to run your gadgets, your charger and batteries should be there with you. Then next, children, what you should have is small toys or activities like rubrics and all that take up a little space in your suitcase, in your bag, like deck of cards, frisbee, or a travel journal where you can write down your favorite trips and events. So these are the things that you need to be that you need to keep. Now the next slide, children, you can see this is purely your decision what to pack, how much to pack, and how well you need to keep your things. So the suitcase which is neatly piled up, which is properly piled up, we would love to go for that. Or the first picture to my left, the things kept hazardously, will definitely put you into trouble, will waste your time. So it is up to you. Decision is purely yours whether to arrange hazardously or neatly, to save time or to get into anxiety, to be organized. So believe me, all these things reflect your personality and show how organized and neat you are. So children, when you are planning your trip, see that you are well organized. So now what? Now comes, take your bag and neatly pile all the iron clothes one above the other in the order you would require to wear, as shown to my right side of the pic. Use different pockets to keep your socks and inner garments so that you can find it easily. And then place your kit of personal cleanliness at the side of your bag where you can easily trace it. One more thing, students, your slippers needs to be packed in the newspaper and kept separately. I'm sure you won't end up with mismatched socks or an improper combination for trouser and so on, and the trip would become memorable one. The next slide, you can see the reminder is given, children. I just want to give you a small reminder that do not litter your way by throwing wrappers of eatables. Carry a big poly bag, collect all the waste in it and throw in the dustbin wherever you find. These small efforts, if taken care of your trip, would surely be wonderful for you all. That's all for the day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy your trip and make it memorable. Thank you, students. Have a good day.